Making protein balls today, so you're gonna take your oats and either a food processor or a blender. You're gonna pour your oats in, put the lid on securely. You're gonna pulse. All right, you're gonna take your pretzels now. I have whole ones. You're gonna put them in the blender or the food processor. Put the lid on securely, lock it in place, and again, you're gonna pulse it. Blend the pretzels until there's some small chunks and big chunks like this. You're gonna pour your oats that you've pulsed along with your pretzels. Next, you're gonna add the rest of your dry ingredients. You're gonna add your flaxseed, or chia seed, peanut butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, some maple syrup, chocolate chips. Now you're gonna mix all your ingredients together with a spoon. All right, once it's coming together like so, put down your spoon. You're gonna grab your hands and grab about 1 tablespoon full of mixture. Okay, you're gonna start making balls like this in your hand and roll. And then you're gonna put them on your piece of parchment paper on your plate. Once you have your protein balls, you're gonna put them in the plastic bag on the plate, like so. And you're going to try to get as much air without squishing your balls and seal it. About 10 minutes in the freezer till they're hard. See, they're a lot stiff. You can take them out of the bag and enjoy them. You can also just stick them right back in the bag, like so, to keep them stored in your freezer for a longer period of time.